kg soaked cod, flour, olive oil, 2 onions, 1 glass of dry white wine,